So this is how I meal prep for work. I have a bag of veggies from my grill day. And all I do is take out what I need. So this was a blooming onion. This is, I already cut this the other day, but this is the other half of the corn cob. I pretty much cut a portion and everything. Take out a piece or two of the broccoli rabe. I do one zucchini, green zucchini, and then another zucchini. So all I do is I just chop everything up. So first let's start with the onion. Just take a piece off like that. Pretty much all I need. And then I cut up my broccoli rabe. It's like a rough chop. So then everything goes into this bowl, container. So the zucchini, I go down the middle. Do that for both. Let's chop. Scoop everything in. For the corn, I like to shave it off the kernel. So that's what it looks like. And all I'm gonna do is cook a piece of fish and put it right on top, and that's dinner. I can add a sweet potato in here if I want, rice, but corn has carbs, so this is good enough for me. So I'm just gonna cook a piece of barramundi. I'm gonna put it on top of that, and that's gonna be my meal prep. I cooked an egg earlier in this pan, so I'm just gonna reuse it. Still have some flavor left. Fish is done. I'm just showing you guys how I meal prep. I'm gonna eat this for lunch later, and I'm also gonna make me another one for after my run. So you can see I reuse and repurpose the vegetables. That's our fish. And then later for lunch, I'm just gonna reheat that and make sure I'm staying on course.